BB Naija Maria regrets being a wild card as she complains to Big Brother.
Lying and lying. I think I'm doing a great job. I'm actually proud of myself because I'm not a good liar naturally. But, and I don't think they suspect me whatsoever, so, but it's killing me. I'm not proud of it. I'm lying because I feel like obviously there might be great friendships that might be formed from here, but I'm constantly lying, so I don't feel good about that. That's why I'm nervous.
Season 6 of Big Brother Naija reality show is currently ongoing as it takes interesting turns as the day passes by. The 22 housemates are currently working together to fish out the two wild cards placed in their midst to be a spy. Housemates Maria and Perry have been revealed as the wild cards by Big Brother during the diary session. Many people were shocked when Maria and Perry were disclosed as the wild cards. However, Maria was also shocked after Big Brother told her there was another wild card aside her in the house. She, however, disclosed to Big Brother that she is no longer comfortable pretending to be a real housemate, saying that it is killing her and also making her nervous. She told Big Brother, "I don't have to hide while playing the game, but it's killing me. I'm not going to lie, obviously. I wouldn't have taken part. It is killing me. The fellow housemates are really lovely people. I'm not just saying, they really are. I'm not going to lie." She added, "I don't think they are suspecting me, but I'm not going to lie. It's killing me. I'm not proud of it because I'm constantly lying." She continued, "I don't feel good about it lying. I'm quite nervous because the weekends are approaching, yeah, and I think they are not going to fail. And I don't know how I will feel about the next step." In a shock, when she discovered that there was another fake housemate apart from herself, Maria said, "But Big Brother, you didn't tell me that there's another wild card because there are two of us," she said.